at my house and I have a dog. So I am in Costa Rica ASAP. I'm going on Saturday. So I'm gonna have to be there for a few months because I was already planning on it. And so I don't have anyone there. So the next time I have friends that are gonna stay there in October. So I'm gonna be there until October. And then I'll come visit. So how about end of October or beginning of
Hey, my birthday's in October, baby. You can
party?
sail me through my mid-30s.
Okay, so party shirt birthday is like a whole party month, right?
No,
No?
I was the company on the weekend and like we were drinking like every day and it got like
Okay.
I can't drink more than one day. Like
Okay,
it's
so one day.
I'll do it.
Or
Get
but
to
or no drinking party month. We don't have to drink.
No, it's still loads of stuff to do, man. Like the islands, there's loads of cool stuff in Bangkok. Uh, like I'm in a random street and like look at it. It's cool, eh? Just a random thing.
Yeah, I'm stoked. I really want the time zone in Costa Rica. I don't even want to think about it. I'm gonna have to wake up at 12:40 at night and go to bed at like I don't even want to say it. I don't even want to think about it. Like 4:30 in the afternoon. I'm so I'm so cooked. It's not gonna be healthy for me. Like already right now, I'm so tired during the day. Like I tried my best to go to bed early, but because if I just stay up a little bit late on a weekend, it just messes me up. So I'm pretty much gonna have to be in monk mode in Costa Rica and go to bed and wake up and just live for the stream, which is what it is. But I thought I was gonna be doing Asia session, so yeah I I don't have anyone at my house now. I made the arrangements. Sucks to suck.
That's that.
But someone said here in chat, did I take this long? They're asking me a bunch of times. Joined late, but did you enter this long on board? Well, I had to enter it in order to begin it right here, right? I had to enter it at some point.
I mean, it's on the screen, right?
I don't know. I'm a little confused. I don't want to be snarky, but
I know. But I'm sure someone in the chat will.
yeah, I don't want to be snarky, but also I don't have anything else to do. So it's giving me free gunpowder.
Yeah, don't worry about the giveaways. Don't worry about like there's always accounts being given away every day. You're here to have some background noise for your work, listen to people that do this full time, learn something along the way, have the entertainment, you know?
Oh, here we go. They had a typo. So it's why did you enter this long console? I entered it from my strategy. This is an onion. I took it as an onion, as learned from one of my past teachers who I did their course and stuff, Nick Stewart. I studied from him for like 6 months or something, pretty solidly. And this is kind of one of the setups I was looking for. So I'm originally looking to take this as a breakout trade. Sorry to be snarky, team. But so yesterday I put this on the chart saying if I get a candle like this, breaking out of this line here, right? That's my support resistance that's important for the breakout trade. But this wick here, I was like, well, if I don't want to take it, if it's too close to that wick, if it's down here, maybe. So I actually have room to just take the profit at that wick. Otherwise, I kind of like it better above that, like this candle, like this idea here. What happened, actually, it did make the breakout right here, which it would have been perfect because this is far enough below that wick where I pretty much could have gotten a scalp here just to that wick high. Look, it's almost a 1-to-1, 0.7, which is actually like normal gold scalps like that. It did end up going, and guess where it went? It went exactly to my next target right there, which I have just based on support resistance, price action, support resistance, stuff like that. So the level just worked so perfectly. That's crazy. But now we woke up this morning and we had come back down and we're testing this area and seeing if it's turning into support. In which case, buying that pullback in the TTE strategies, shout out Nick Stewart, time to eat trading, is an onion play. And so I took the onion play with a little bit of a weird entry because I was a little late to it, but I still really liked it. So the onion play was this candle closing above right here. I was counting it as an onion. It's a little bit of a weird one, but it works. So it's a little bit more of a breakout trade because we closed below my level. But if I could have added another level here, and counted it as an onion, just right below here. Count that as support. Kind of where it resisted right there too. So I'm counting this as an onion play. Someone might argue me who trades TPE strats, but like that. It's also kind of I'm not even gonna get into it. I'm counting it as an onion. The onion is when we're in a trend and then we pull back to the level. So pull back to the level and then taking the breakout of that candle. I ended up getting in a little bit late right here based on where we were at on the next candle there. So that's why I took it. It's just one of my strats. I like the onions, I like the breakouts, and I like the celeries. That's what we call them. Yeah, I'll check the giveaways. Here we go. Let's push it. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, Dax is flying.
I don't have my squawks open. Something just happened. Oh, it's 7 a.m. happened.
Nah,
Dude,
mate.
look
Look
at this.
Everything just ripped.
Whoa, look at, yeah, it's going all the way to previous day high. I might get another trade there on yes. Okay, so gold is hitting this little consolidation here that I was saying would also be a decent target. It is a 1-to-1, guys. I'm up $500. I might just take this, guys. This is just kind of an arbitrary target up here. Just because of this clean range. Guys, I want to take it. Let's
Did you just close it by? You just close it by just moving the CP all the way to whatever your stop.
Yep, the limit order down.
Ah.
That way it filled on the limit instead of filling on the market. If I dragged up that, or if I just closed it on the market, I get worse fills. So I pretty much got it on the abs. Guys, crush 3 for 3 this morning. 3 for 3. Beautiful. What's up, Kelvin in the house? They said why? I missed that, guys. I'm between assassins. My bad. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I think I'm gonna move mine. I think I'll on that down.
Gold strat paying out. I'm back on gold, guys. Let's go. Man, that ES trade though. Look at that. Wow.
Everything had a bit of a push there, but now still playing in the range.
That was still a really good trade there.
That is a limit order of yours for sell.
What's that?
You have a level up there mark for sure.
Oh yeah. So if we reject this PDH, I'm allowed. I have one of my trade ideas there. One of my shorts. I did not expect it to get up there that quick. Not gonna lie.
So what does that tell you? Does that mean there's more of a lot buyer today?
No, it just means I need to watch out for another potential trade here. Ideally it would be a smaller candle here. So the next 30-minute candle, maybe we test this. I'll draw it out here. Maybe we test.
Well, it's worth doing some back testing when you get to previous days high pre-session. See what is the most likely thing, for example, whether it rejects or continues through. You can add another layer onto your
Okay, I have to understand that better. Okay, what'd you say?
So if we get to previous day's high pre-market,
okay,
that's doing finding out the data, whether it will break through or reject. What's the most likely thing to happen if it happens before the market opens? That make sense?
So depending, so that could be back testing. Yeah, that makes sense. In my strategy though, This strategy is really based off of the volume profile. So right now, because of the type of distribution you have, it would be the edge is taking a short up here. It's not looking for continuation because we have more of a D-shaped volume profile with the point of control down here. It's not really a trending profile for us to make a big breakout move. However, if I am interested in a breakout, I will also just look at the delta and the cumulative volume delta, and I'll look at the if we have what type of buying or selling we have. So up at this point, if I was interested in a breakout trade, I would just either see that we have reactive buying versus like responsive buying. If we're getting pullbacks and waiting for the responsive buyers before we go, I'm not looking for breakout trades. If we have response or reactive buying, and the buyers are just hitting that bid like reactive buying on the 8 EMA on the 5 minute chart, then I will look for continuations. Otherwise, generally, like most of the time, or if I long PDH, I do it. But my mentor is like, "What do you do?" Is that because it's like Ben Franklin or something? I don't know if you have your own Discord. Yeah, I have one that costs money right now. It's like $40, and then I have one that's free called the Trade Sauce. But we also have the PFM Discord where we can all connect. You guys can tag me, ask questions in there. We have Luna's analysis, Zach's analysis, and teammates analysis. Let's see. I try to always post my analysis in there. I don't know if the other guys do. But I'm actually, speaking of posting the analysis, guys, I want to post my analysis right now. So here's what I was looking at though for this ES short, guys. I want a candle rejecting previous hit high. I was trying to describe it in a poorly drawn thing. Guys, how about Rags of Roni though? I put up Rags of Roni for sure. Rags of Roni, San Francisco treat. The world is broken. Jasmine. Yeah, jasmine rice is pretty nice. It's light, right? Low, I think it has low gluten compared to like arborio that has like high gluten for risotto. So Biggie, you're a chef? That's dope. I used to have a food truck. Yeah, I both getting sold these in a kitchen. Yeah. Yo, Cam in the house. Let's go. What up, Trader Cam? Guys, I'm requesting to have Trader Cam on again. I'm gonna have to book him. But I want to see the progress. So maybe in like a few weeks or so. But I'm gonna try to get you on the schedule, Trader Cam, after you came on the first time. And I want to see some progress. Maybe after your next payout or something like that. So maybe in a few weeks or so, get locked in and we'll have you back on.
Miles, this is such a great
bar. Guys, Trader Cam is an up and coming YouTuber, so you can always go check him out. Nice. Let's go, Grayson. All green on the day. GG's. Let's get it. Great work. Trying to find a good sound effect for you. Let's get it, dude. Good work. Yeah, pay sucks and long hours. Yeah. And you get in that fryer and you have to clean out that grease trap or something. Oh my gosh, guys. Waiting for a lunch hour with Lunchbox to cook basmati rice. Let's go. Basmati rice is goated. Let's go, Solo Kim. Basmati's the best. Basmati's the best. Guys, if this candle closes back below my previous day value area high, I think we have a short. So I took this short right here. That was a fire alarm. Dude, so Cam, we got 3 W's so far this today. 3 W's.
Coming back to value.
Trying to figure out the best way to make it so I can see all these ideas. All right, I'm gonna post my I think this is clear. I hope this works, guys. I know it's kind of an ugly chart. One more I gotta put on right here.
Trap traders. Looking for trap traders. Who is trapped?
All right, I think this is gonna have to do. That might
Liquidity's taken.
clustered all together.
Anything into the open probably here.
All right, so here's my plan for the day.
You got home sales news at 10.
I'm gonna take a screenshot. I've been posting my game plan almost every single day in the Discord, guys, in the prop for match Discord. Sometimes the other day I didn't, but it was on purpose actually. I purposely didn't because I was like, this is my game plan, but I actually think we're just gonna rally all day. So I'm scared. The regime was a little different. I'm gonna post it today's game plan. Boom. All right, I dropped my game plan in the Discord, guys. So let's see how we do it on these lights. Let's run a giveaway. Let's run a giveaway, guys. We got a few giveaways to do. Let's run a few giveaways. Okay, we hit 250 likes. Perfect. We're gonna run a giveaway here. In 9 minutes, we have a potential trade setting up here. So we're gonna keep on running it. And in the meantime, let's run a giveaway. Let's do a Lucid account. So we already did a Tradeify shout out. Let's do a Lucid, and then we'll do another Tradeify at the end. There's actually better. All right. Oh yeah, here's Cam's social here, guys. I typed Wadapov. What? What's that mean?
Grandes, fíjense que iba a tener para trabajar o para comer. Esta es mi cocinita, a gas, aquí tengo el lavaplato, pero cuando ya salga de acá, que me estacione, firme el contrato y todo eso, les hago un fan tour para que ustedes también se emocionen. Menos mal que en esta oportunidad sí voy a manejar del lado convencional, porque no sé si lo recuerdan, pero en mi video en Nueva Zelanda se manejaba de este lado. Déjenme cerrar la puerta. Lo único difícil es que, bueno, la que encontré es sincrónica. Tengo rato que no manejo sincrónica, pero confíen en mí que voy a ser una buena conductora. La noche me costó unos $120 aproximadamente al cambio, y me parece bien porque es lo que normalmente uno paga en un hotel y no tiene una aventura así tan increíble como esta. Yo siento que me quiero quedar como toda mi vida viviendo en Man. Así que vamos, mi viajeros. Definitivamente este es el auto más grande que he manejado en mi vida. Yo siento que voy como en una gandola, en un camión inmenso. Y bueno, tengo que estar pendiente de muchas cosas, de la señalización, del GPS, de los cambios, pero muy feliz y contenta y confiando que todo va a salir muy bien. Poco a poco, piano a piano, vamos a llegar. Ahorita estoy buscando un supermercado donde hacer mis compritas, porque bueno, hoy no pretendemos comer absolutamente nada en restaurantes, sino cocinarlo todo, porque creo que eso también está en la parte divertida de tener una camper, comprar sus cositas y cocinarlas.
If you've got a pool, then you have a pool deck. And if you have a pool deck, there's a good chance you're not happy with it. It's probably slippery, it's probably cracked, and it might even have paint peeling. We've got the solution for you. RevaFlex is a brand new, highly advanced coating that goes right down on top of your existing pool surface, so there's no demolition needed, and it's rubber based, so it's non-slip.
I was summoned by you, yeah, like the video. News causes current longs. Apparently, I think that liquidity helped, but you here, but putting a like to the trading community and for TradeFi. Oh,
Yo, where is this place? Looks insane.
Yo, it's One Sway Shine Martial Arts City with live action kung fu. Yeah. And the molten iron fireworks at nighttime are insane. Check it out. It started as a Song Dynasty themed park 23 years ago. It's been flowing and growing exponentially into so much more. One Sway Shine Martial Arts City's traditional fighting spirit is moving with modern mayhem. It's intriguing and absorbing entertainment.
That was stunningly overwhelming. The scale and everything, production quality, very entertaining.
Even midweek, the crowd are immense and the experience is intensely immersive. So it's time for me to get in on the action and get into character.
But here in the park, it's not all about real money. The interacting with the characters, the exhibitions, like I just did.
/prop for match. Once you're in the Discord, you will find the verification channel. Do that first to prove that you are human, and then you will see the other channels appear and scroll on down to the giveaway portal. The pinned comment also has a link up here, up there. It has a link to the Discord. All you have to do is click that little button, join the Discord, and you are now ready for the giveaways and all future giveaways with that all happen in the Discord. So once you're in here, head on down to the giveaway portal and I'm going to drop the codes and the code is match. I want to select 1 minute. Dude, I totally, I gotta do something real quick. All right, I'm gonna create it. All right, code match, guys, because you can use code match to get the best deal at your favorite prop firm. I'm gonna drop it in the Discord very short. I hope you guys are ready to roll. I hope you're ready to roll, guys. We got more giveaways to come the rest of the day. We got Zach joining in 30 minutes. We don't have any news today, but we got news tomorrow and Thursday. So remember, guys, tomorrow and Thursday we have CPI, and then we have PPI, in that order. So we're good today. We're chilling. We got no news today, and just this kind of choppy, rangy market, but it's actually not too bad for me here. So I don't mind it. Right now we're on our third. We had 3 wins so far, and what else do we have to say, guys? Shout out to our sponsors. We got Big Dog Tradeify. Shout out to Tradeify, and we have Lucid Trading. So, guys, this account is going to be for a Lucid account. We already did Tradeify. Let's do a Lucid. And good luck, everyone. Good luck. I hope you guys crush it, and I hope everyone gets a chance to win a giveaway. So let's run it. I hope everyone's ready. I'm going to drop it in the Discord, and you have 1 minute in the giveaway portal. Link in the description, or sorry, link in the comments, pinned comment, discord.com/invite/prop firm match. Head into the giveaway portal, and I'm going to drop it right now. In 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck. It's in there. I'm going to enter myself. Code match done. Yeah, no, it's good that they put it in here because it gives you guys a better chance. Wait, what? Cordyceps are banned? What? No way. No way. My 5 payout with $100 Apex account. Your 5th payout with $100 Apex account. Holy moly. Great work. Wow. Great work. Luna, what time is CPI and PPI? 8:30, 8:30, 8:30, all around the clock, 8:30. All whatever, calendar, whatever, each day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This giveaway, you already missed it, man, Marco. But there'll be more. We actually got another one here. Let's do another one after this for a trading card. Like, get those likes up. I want to see the likes. Okay, let's get this thing going. Guys, here's that news. Tomorrow. Well, I gotta pull up the seat, guys. I don't know. Yeah, I'm getting tired. Hold on. Oh yeah. My dogs are barking. Man, I really hope I can find these Red Bulls in Costa Rica. There's not very many energy drinks there, but they kind of hit, guys. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the caffeination station. So let's run this giveaway. Boom. I'm gonna copy the entries here. We use code match in honor of prop firm match, guys. And code match will get you the best discount at your favorite prop firms. You think every day of Redford? No. I Stretch is still locked out the Lucid account because of rhythmic outage yesterday. I haven't heard that. Dang, man, it's so weird though that my Lucid account didn't work this morning, but they were training me. Biggie says, let me tell you something. I used to work 6 hours pouring concrete and then head back for a 10-hour shift in the kitchen. Wow, dude. You're tough. Thank God I was on clean test. So does you do that with energy? Is that why you do that? Energy? What if like consumer price index? Look it up. Consumer price index. So it's like the price of goods and change in price of goods and services, excluding food and energy. Good. Let's run this beer moment. Let's run it. I did that goal. And y'all crazy. Y'all crazy.
You ruined it. You ruined it, and I'm leaving.
All right, guys.